Hi. I wanted to talk through an issue that I'm having at the moment with the object database that I was working on, and that is the subject of this playlist. Um, I've had sort of a period of writer's block, um, and I guess if I try and categorize it, I'm trying to decide what to do with the transactions inside of um, the file. And so, what I'd really like to accomplish is to be able to represent transactions independently, um, and still preserve the history of the file. And that's so that you can get the different transaction modes to work. You got a choice whether or not you preserve the history or you compact it or whatever, and that's important for you know supporting concurrency. Um, the other thing that I wanted to do was try and avoid wasting a lot of disk space when you're compacting the disk file, the index and stuff there. Um, and so, yeah, I've been sort of thinking about how to represent the individual nodes of the B tree, and I'm thinking that, um, in particular, the links on the nodes, and I'm thinking that I'm going to have to store quite a lot of metadata on each of the links, which is probably okay. We're already storing the keys in there, but for now, I'm thinking, okay, we need a count. We need an index that points to um, another node, be it like I imagine it's going to be like a sector on the in the disk, an offset, um, and somehow um, when you want to compact the B tree, you use the offsets there and the sizes of um, each of the things in each of the nodes to compute um, what the offset should look like in the new data structure. But at the same time, I'm also sort of thinking like, well, somehow, um, somehow this will have to have some way of collecting old data, so a free list of some sort of mechanism, and so maybe these offsets that I'm putting in the file aren't going to be all that easy to predict. So this is, yeah, I'm stuck. So at the moment, I'm still thinking through this stuff. So there's no code this week, um, but I just wanted to let you know what I'm thinking and how stuff's going. Really keen to know your feedback, know your thoughts on the direction that I'm trying to take this, and yeah, hit me up. I'm on email, Twitter, GitHub, and Threads. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.